From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with flimsy pants hangers that just can't get the job done? Let me introduce you to the open-ended pants hangers by Chushi, the total game changer for your closet organization. With these babies, you can say goodbye to hanger marks, waist bulges, and knee creases, thanks to their curved gooseneck shape that keeps your jeans and dress pants looking neat and ready to wear. The full rubber coating gives your clothes a soft, protective layer, and the non-slip grip keeps everything in place, whether it's denim, wool, or silk. You can hear the smooth glide as you slide your pants on and off from one side, without even removing the hanger from the rod, and the rubber tips reduce snags and fabric pulling, giving you a sense of ease and convenience. The heavy-duty metal build is incredibly sturdy, with a rust-resistant finish that can hold up to 10 pounds, making it perfect for your everyday closet storage. And the best part, these hangers take up less space than bulky plastic or wooden ones, making them ideal for small closets, dorm rooms, or laundry areas. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these hangers, and it's clear why they're so well reviewed. They're a total must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their closet. Imagine being able to organize your clothes with ease, and having that extra storage space to boot. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, these open-ended pants hangers by Chushi are the perfect solution. So why settle for flimsy hangers that just don't cut it, when you can have a product that truly delivers? Get your hands on these amazing hangers today and experience the difference for yourself. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.